Hi boys and girls, happy Friday! Today we are going to have some fun with bubbles. So we are going to use bubbles to investigate and observe the wind. Now we know wind we can't see. Wind is air that moves, but we can't see it. But we can see the things that wind moves. So just like yesterday when we used our straw, we saw how wind can move things. So today we're going to use bubbles to see how the wind is moving. Bubbles will tell us 1, is the wind blowing at all? 2, how hard is the wind blowing? And 3, which way is the wind blowing? What direction? So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit because I like to have fun with bubbles too. And I'm going to show you, I'm in my house. Is there any wind in my house? No, of course not. I'm sheltered. There's 4 walls around me. There's no way wind can get in my house. So let's see what happens to the bubbles when there's no wind. Ready? Oops. So, I don't know if you can see them. They're going, oh, there goes one. They're falling straight down. Watch. They're going straight down. One more time. They fall straight down because there's no wind. So now let's add a little bit of wind. So right now there's a light breeze blowing. And let's see what happens. Oh, that's odd. Let me try this one more time. Okay, they're still falling down, but they're taking a little longer to fall. And it's just a light breeze. So they're going this way a little bit. Let's try making it a stronger breeze. Whew, can you hear that wind blow now? It's blowing now. Let's see what happens. Whoop, they blew right away. You didn't even see them. Let's try one more time. Oh, that one didn't blow. They're moving much faster. So I want you to try this with the real wind outside today, boys and girls. Head out if you're in school. Your teacher can take you out to the blacktop. If you're at home, head on outside and observe the wind. Blow your bubbles. See if they're just dropping straight down, then there's no wind. If they're moving in a direction, if they're blowing away or floating in the air, then there's wind. Remember, wind can lift things and keep them floating. So that's what would probably happen to some of your bubbles. If there's a breeze, they're going to float up and they're going to stay up longer than if there's no breeze, they will fall straight down. So you have this worksheet today to do, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to draw your observations. You want to draw about what you see happening to your bubbles. Do you see them going up in the air? Do you see them falling straight down? Or do you see them just floating all around? And then write a sentence. My bubbles dropped to the ground. My bubbles floated in the air. And if you're a hippo, you should know how to spell float. F-L-O-A-T. That's that long O word in your word list this week. So do your best to write a sentence to tell me what happened, what you observed your bubbles doing when you blew them. Did they fall? Did they float? Let me know. I can't wait, and I hope you have a lot of fun with your bubbles. Have a great weekend, boys and girls.